The obvious way to incorporate rave stabs in your music involves sampling the classic sounds from old records. But synthesizing your own stab is easier than you might think, so let's create a custom rave stab using several bespoke layers from Korg's M1 plugin. Start with a typical M1 piano layer. Then program a minor chord on the track, by either drawing in MIDI notes or by using a Chorder MIDI plugin. Many old-school stabs feature a hint of choir or vocal, so duplicate the first M1 instance and seek out a suitable preset within the second instance. So we've got this choir sound here. And we've chosen to disable the preset's overt effects just to give a cleaner result. Now it's a case of layering another 1 or 2 patches on separate channels to thicken the overall chord sound. At this stage you may find you need to tweak individual note velocities within each chord in the mix to prevent certain notes from dominating others. Now group the stab layers to a single bus. You may wish to tweak each layer's ADSR envelope individually, but here we've inserted LFO tool on the bus, and as you can see we've drawn in a volume curve sloping downwards, giving the overall sound a more appropriate stab-like envelope. Applying effects to the group as a whole will gel the layers and achieve a harsher retro sound. We're using heavy parallel saturation and 2 lots of bit crushing to really push and crunch the stab. Now we'll bounce down a one-shot of the processed stab, or load it into a sampler, and then program a suitable rave-esque MIDI riff. For the finishing touches we've applied sampler hiss, crushing and delay via the sampler's onboard effects. And then there's a bit of extra weight being added with an analog style EQ.